Hello and welcome to my Python programming tutorial. So in this one, I'm going to show you how to do multi-line string. So strings is a type of variable and we can do loads of things with it. We can do multi-line strings, we can do strings that make letters go all capitals or all lowercase. We can concatenate them, so that's bringing them together. There's so many things we can do with it. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to show you how to do multi-line. So multi-line, if this thing ever loads up, which it has, lovely. So there's our screen, there's our interface, something we need. So let's have a look at what the task is. So we know we can assign a multi-line string to a variable. We can use more than one quote. We can use single or double quotes, or we can do escape characters to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do what's called a comment. So what a comment will do is explain to the reader what the code is doing. So I'm going to do a hashtag and a multi-line string. So the compiler will know, so the computer will know not to compile line 1 because that is commented out. But we do want something to be compiled. We'll call that sentences. We're going to declare it as a string, so we put equals. And then we're going to do single quotes just to make a nice little chain. And say I wanted to have something like, this is a useful piece of code. We can do \n. And what we can do there is we can say, we could say all of this. Python. I'm learning Python, and we can also have to say techbeans.com tutorials, and it's the most popular site for Python programmers. Or what we can have is we could spice that up a little bit. So we could have something like, I'm learning Python. It is so much fun to do. Might want to say, this is especially the case when we get to practice. And then what we need to do is print statement and then print sentences. And then we can run it. And there's your multi-line string right there. That is how we can do multi-line strings. So that is it, multi-line strings, and I look forward to seeing you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.